guys, we are back on our video, and today we're going to be continuing our fireboy and watergirl session. So I got a face cam now, so let's do this. Start here. Super windy outside, like the fan post is swirling around. Okay, this is the one that sucks so much last time. Okay. The most unluckiest character in the game, in my opinion, watergirl. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, we cannot die. Oh my. I forgot that I was controlling watergirl, dude. Okay, fireboy, let's get this thing going. How did I miss that? Are you kidding me? Okay, I fixed it. Okay, watergirl, you have to come with us. Oofer gang. No. Get back up. Get back up. Okay. Now you water lily. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. No, sorry, Ad. I don't want you anymore. Okay, we're going to the top. This series is going to be long, boys and girls. Okay, this is a lot to take in. What is going on? Oops. Okay, I need something to do. Okay. Let's go! I'm not even gonna go for the gems, dude. Oh my god, no. I am just out of here. Oh, we found it in the right amount of time. We did it in the right amount of time anyway. Okay, fireboy, don't choke this, okay? Woo, woo, woo. Thank goodness gracious, mate. Okay, let's go this way, boys and girls. Okay, what did that demon do? That keeps scaring me, dude. Okay, no hard feelings. That's my side. Okay, Can't see from the webcam, dude. Okay, I know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I completely shifted the timetable. I forgot that one. Oof. Okay, I got this. Yeah. Okay, fireboy, get off my... What? Okay, we did some progress. That was unnecessary. Okay, camera shake. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's do this thing. What am I doing? No. Okay, guys, we'll have to end this video here because I will try to beat this level on the next video, which will probably be really hard. But if you guys want to suggest any games that I can play, please make sure in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure we hit 444 views on this video. Peace.